Hi everyone. On the 18th and 19th of this month, so next week, the Gibraltar Federation of Small Business, in conjunction with myself, Infinity Learning, will be running another one of our half-day workshops. This month, the month of September, we will be concentrating our efforts on managing customer service. Now, this workshop is designed for frontline customer service representatives and their immediate line managers. Those line managers could be supervisors, team leaders, shift managers, so immediate line managers and frontline staff are best suited for this course. Now, the need for leading, promoting and enhancing a customer-focused culture is essential in every company in the 21st century. If you are dealing with customers, whether they are face-to-face, over the phone or over the internet, then you must have a customer-centric culture. What exactly does that mean? Well, if you come on this workshop, we'll look at exactly that. We're going to look at ways to establish links between excellence in customer service and your specific business practices and policies. We're going to be looking at developing skills and practices that are essential of a customer service focused company. Recognize what employees are looking to be truly engaged with your customers. How do you get and nurture that engagement? We'll look at that. Recognize who the customers are and what specifically your customers are looking for. We'll also look at developing strategies for creating engaged employees and satisfied customers in whatever type of business you actually use or promote. This course is going to be very interactive, very hands-on. I want to find out from your experiences what challenges you currently have at the moment and what you feel you need to do to ensure that you are delivering the very best customer service you possibly can deliver to your customers. We're going to be covering lots of different topics within a 4-hour window. So we're starting at 9 o'clock, finishing at 1 o'clock. For those of you who've been on my courses before, you know I start promptly at 9 o'clock and finish at 1 o'clock. So just to conclude, we're going to be running a Manage Customer Service workshop on the 18th and 19th, so next week, at GFSB House 122 Irish Town. For those of you who haven't booked your places yet, please contact Jenny either via the GFSB website, her email, or on LinkedIn or Facebook. Thank you very, very much for spending the time in watching me. I look forward to seeing as many of you as I possibly can next week on this course. Thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.